Welcome to an enlightening exploration into the world of educational models. Today, we delve into a topic that's often debated, yet widely misunderstood: the comparison between the traditional factory model of education and the innovative approach known as unschooling. Our aim is to dispel some myths and present a clearer picture of these contrasting educational philosophies. Let's begin with the factory model of education, a term coined to describe the standardized, industrial-era approach that dominates public schooling systems worldwide. Picture this: a conveyor belt of students, each treated identically, moving through a system designed to impart specific knowledge at predetermined stages. The factory model emphasizes uniformity, discipline, and rote learning, all executed within the constraints of age-grade structures and set curricula. This model, while systematic and predictable, often prioritizes efficiency over individuality. Now, let's shift our gaze to unschooling, a subset of homeschooling that takes an entirely different approach. Unschooling is rooted in the belief that learning is a natural and individualized process. Rather than adhering to a fixed curriculum, unschooling champions experiential learning driven by a child's interests and curiosities. This model encourages exploration and fosters a deep, intrinsic love of learning by allowing the child's passions to dictate the educational journey. It promotes critical thinking, creativity, and self-motivation. With these basic principles in place, let's tackle some common misconceptions. First, the idea that the factory model is synonymous with quality education. While it has merits, particularly in providing a structured and consistent educational framework accessible to many, it can sometimes suppress creativity and stifle personal growth by focusing narrowly on standardized testing and core subjects. Conversely, unschooling is often criticized for lacking rigor or structure. However, advocates argue that it builds a robust foundation for lifelong learning as individuals equipped to navigate the complexities of today's world. It's not about neglecting education; rather, it prioritizes learning in a way that's meaningful and relevant to the student. In essence, choosing one educational approach over the other depends heavily on individual needs and circumstances. Both methods have their strengths and weaknesses, and neither is inherently superior. The key is finding a balance that incorporates the structure needed for foundational skills with the freedom to explore and innovate. In conclusion, our exploration today highlights the importance of understanding and appreciating different educational models, each with its own philosophy and practice. By dispelling these myths, we encourage a more informed discussion about personalized and meaningful education. Thank you for joining us in this insightful journey.